obsession with being a certain size is so wrong. Anyway, no, it's not that you have to be skinny to be beautiful. First of all sizes are beautiful. कौन नहीं पहनना चाहता है वो
शिफॉन की साड़ी?
Exactly. और कौन नहीं गाना चाहता है वो रोमांटिक गाने यार. That is definitely हमारा Bollywood. I'm super proud of it. बड़ी harassment और dangerous और criminal type के comments भी आ जाते हैं कभी-कभी. If I make a short skirt, you say something sexual. You know, it's not legal. I don't think they understand that they can go to jail for that.
Hi guys, I'm sorry I'm a little late, but I actually just checked 4 minutes ago you were not live and suddenly you went live. So, apologies.
No.
Hope you.
Okay, so I'll blame that on the technical error जो हमारा live की timings में जो भी issue हुआ. So we'll blame it on the technical team. Just let that be. And Ruhi, first of all, congratulations for Asla. It's doing so great.
Thank you so much. So much.
The song
so
is like, yeah, I mean, the song is like, you know, your personality. Total Asla, total, you know, it's an explosive, like the glam explosive that you yourself are. So that's amazing.
Thank you so much. I'm so glad, you know, the fans have really loved it.
And ये जो आपके इतने सारे fans हैं ना, इनके लिए भी और अपने लिए भी, I want to ask you one question. We know Ruhi Singh as former Miss India. We know Ruhi Singh as an actress. We know somebody who just made her way to the Punjabi music industry. But who is Ruhi Singh in reality as a person that your fans would love to know?
You know, I'm pretty much what I seem to be. There's no mystery here as such. I am very simple. I'm just a hardworking person. I love acting, and a girl with big dreams, I think, would be the right description. And I just believe in keep on, you know, working, spreading positivity, and whoever I meet, I try to touch their lives in a positive way. I really believe that if you can't contribute positively, please don't create any negativity, and that's it. Just trying to keep my calm, trying to keep my focus, and that's pretty much who Ruhi Singh is. I also love my parents. I love animals. I love food. Love to travel. Yeah, just love life.
You said you love food, but then you are like, you're so fit. I mean, if I say I love food, it's visible. You say you love food.
No.
People actually want to know what's your fitness mantra. Somebody actually commented about that they want to know what is your raz behind this fitness.
Well, I would just say that consistency is the key. You have to keep on working at it. Fitness, I've said it so many times, I need to change this line. But, you know, it's not a one-time event. It's a lifestyle. So basically, you have to incorporate it into your life. You can't be like, kal se main gym jaungi, and then you know that tomorrow will never come. You have to go today. Even if you spend 20 minutes on yourself, working on yourself, I think that's more than enough.
Perfect. I just hope कि line मेरे घर वालों ने ना सुनी हो because my agenda is कल से gym जाऊंगी. So, no way.
You know, if you don't like the gym, you don't have to go to the gym. Fitness should never be a torture. If you want to be consistent at it, I think the key is to make it fun. So do what you have fun doing. If you like dancing, please go learn a new dance form. If you like martial arts, go learn that. If you want to explore parkour, please go learn, like, go for it, you know, explore it. Go running, go for a walk, go for a jog with your friends. Make it like a thing जहाँ पे आप 3-4 friends साथ में jogging करने जाते हैं रोज while you gossip. Do that.
Something that you can actually enjoy, so it doesn't come out as a burden on you. That नहीं करना पड़ेगा, नहीं करना है वाला feel. That's perfect, awesome. But tell me one thing, Ruhi. How are things with you? Like, you can eat anything and you have a great metabolism, or you just have to actually burn those calories hard?
You know what I do? So I try to have a balanced diet. See, you do need carbs. Like a lot of people, I somehow personally do not agree with going extremes, you know, extreme with anything. I have a balanced diet with carbs, thoda zyada protein. I try to eat my eggs, chicken, paneer, those things. Obviously, you need your fruits and vegetables.
Right.
You need fiber. So you need all of the, जो भी आपको मतलब, and I am not very fussy when it comes to food. I like घर का खाना. So it's pretty simple. Dal, you know, soya bean, those simple elements, gajar.
Wow.
all of those things are. I'll just remove my earring because it will create an issue with your mic. Yeah, so it's basically you just have to make sure that you have a balanced diet. If you like to indulge, थोड़ी कम quantity में indulge करो. If you like your butter chicken once a week, why not? But थोड़ा ऐसा नहीं कि आप पूरा खा रहे हो.
रज के.
Have little bit. Have little bit. Have one instead of five.
Okay.
As simple as that. And eat fruits, eat dry fruits, drink juices, fresh juices. They're so yum.
Wonderful. I guess all your fans who asked me these questions specifically कि fitness का राज जानना है, I think they have got their answer. So that's it's out for them right now, and for me as well. I wanted
There's
those
one more
tips.
thing that I really want to add here for all the young girls who are watching this and want to, make it in the industry. Bhookha mat raho. Starvation is the worst thing. I don't know. I personally don't even believe in the whole intermittent fasting and stuff. I've never tried it. I think bhookha rehna is really not a way to go about it. You just have to eat right. Eat your veggies.
Exactly.
Make sure कि आप हम कभी कभी पूरा दिन नहीं खाते. Suddenly you're very hungry and you just eat a lot and that's not healthy.
Yeah.
आप 2 घंटे में keep on munching on your something. Like don't starve yourself.
Perfect.
But this is my personal.
That's exactly.
It's my personal.
So that's
I'm
right. Of course. Why to starve yourself to death? Don't do that. That's
Please don't do
exactly
that.
right.
Yeah.
So you have given us such, simple and effective advices for your health and fitness. And I'm sure that when you're healthy inside, the glow comes outside as well. But what is that one bad or worst fitness or beauty advice that you have got when you entered the industry?
Bhookha rehna was the worst advice that somebody gave me. And like everybody, I was like, okay, first of all, so this whole obsession with being a certain size is so wrong. Anyway, no, it's not that you have to be skinny to be beautiful. First of all sizes are beautiful. Everybody is beautiful. You need to be your best. हम क्या करते हैं? We have this, we see a certain image of say like a supermodel who's not even our body type. उसका body type ही अलग है. And आप बोलते हो मुझे तो ऐसा दिखना है. And then we start working towards that. That should not be your goal. Your goal needs to be your best version. You can get inspiration from everybody. If somebody is super fit, if someone works out every single day, they go for runs, and you like, acha chalo, you like abs, you like, you want to be fit, strong. So build your strength and do all that, but do not be obsessed with a certain size. That doesn't make any sense. You need to, strive towards becoming your best version, basically. So that was the worst advice somebody ever gave me. That being skinny is beautiful. It's not. Everybody is beautiful. But just be healthy. Healthy is again उसके extreme में कुछ लोग चले जाते हैं. They're saying अरे नहीं, but a lot of people say of course everybody is beautiful, everything is good, but I think it's also important to work on your health. Be healthy. So if you think that you are facing any issues with your body, or you think you are not fit enough, or you think you want to work towards your health, please work towards it. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आप कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे हो ये कह के कि चलो everything is fine. No, you should always strive कि आप एक healthy और fit lifestyle जिए.
And this is so true. Specifically, like obviously, there should be a motto and a mantra that everybody should follow in every situation. But considering the present times after this pandemic has struck the world, it's very difficult. The times are really very difficult, health-wise, the economy-wise, everything. And hearing you saying stuff like, every size is beautiful, and the main thing is to focus on your health. It's really a very nice message that you're giving out to your fans. So kudos to you for that.
Thank you.
I want to know what is the source of positivity in your life, because you are so positive and you are very strong on your points. And I want to know from where do you get this vibe, this infectious vibe of this positivity?
Thank you. Thank you so much. It's myself. I am my own source of positivity and motivation and encouragement. I make sure I motivate myself because this world can really, really get you down. So जो भी यहाँ पे हमें देख रहा है हमारा लाइव सेशन देख रहा है उसको लग रहा है कि ओ ये तो privileged है ये तो ऐसे वहाँ बैठ के बात करना बड़ा आसान है कि आप ये करो वो करो. The truth is everybody goes through phases when you're feeling super down. और ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता कि कोई आपके साथ में constantly आपको motivate करने वाला है. Nothing. There's so much negativity in the world. There's so many people always trying to tell you criticize you, judge you unnecessarily. So you have to be your own constant motivation. You can't be blaming. Also, blame game doesn't work. I realize मैं कितना किसी को blame करूंगी. Oh, उसने मुझे ऐसे बोला, so you know I'm having a bad day. उसने मुझे बोला, so you know my meeting went bad क्योंकि उसने मेरा mood off कर दिया था. She won't let me do that. He won't let. Forget about it. Zip it. He or she, they do not matter. Who matters? You. You gotta be your
Right.
constant source of power. You know. Also, connecting to God is super important, and God in whatever form you feel you connect to the universe with. So I believe in the universe. So अगर आपको लग रहा है कि you need a little pick me up, I think you should just wake
Right.
up early and try to meditate every day for 20 minutes and see the change in 1 month.
You're so headstrong, honestly. Mother, this is the part of you, this is the shade of you that I wanted to bring in front of our audience. Because my first question that who Ruhi Singh is in reality. We know Ruhi Singh as the glam queen, but we do not know this intellectual shade of Ruhi Singh. So this is what we wanted to know today through this live session.
Thank you so much. But you know, that's what people are so quick to judge. मतलब अच्छा, oh, look at that photo. Oh, she must be, you know, मतलब she. No, everybody has so many. We are all like rainbows. We've got so many colors. We've got so many sides to
Right.
ourselves. Our life is such a long. मेरे ख्याल से हर अगर आप, you know, as an actor, I try to observe people a lot and I try to really understand their life stories because it sort of helps me in my characterization while I'm doing a project. And I've realized everybody has such complicated stories and there's so much to a human being and we are so quick to judge.
Right.
किसी को भी आप किसी को भी देख लो, oh, look at that, you know, especially when it comes to women, we judge women a lot.
Right.
You
That
know, she
happens a
wears a
lot.
certain kind of she wears a certain kind of clothes. She must be a certain way. Oh, she's very good with cooking. She must be a certain way. Oh, she's
Right.
we keep labeling women, and I don't see the point in that.
So, what is the most superficial comment that you ever got on your social media? Because you have such a big, huge fan following. You have an Insta fam of, I guess, more than 1 million. So, what is the most superficial and what is the most sweetest comment that you ever got on your social media?
You know, to everybody's surprise, I don't even read my comments. I actually just read in the first 5 minutes.
You're
And
breaking the hearts here of your fans, you know.
no, I only read my fans' comments, and वो normally first 5 minutes में आ जाते हैं उनका वो train of. पर also मैंने notifications ही अपने ऐसे किए हुए हैं that you know I
Right.
only see my fans का because they do a lot of these edits and they organize a lot of events. So I want to be always involved to motivate them because obviously they are everything to me. But negative comments मैं पढ़ती ही नहीं हूँ. So I mean sorry to disappoint बहुत सारे लोग जो बहुत सालों से try कर रहे हैं कि वो negative comment लिखे और मेरे को बुरा लगेगा. I'm sorry but मैंने पढ़ा ही नहीं है वो और I don't know who you are. So that is also another key to being positive. You have to focus on the positive. Also, अगर मैं हर किसी को, you know, if you're gonna, you have to choose your battles, yeah. There's a war we are fighting. अगर हमें छोटी-छोटी हर चीज के अंदर अगर वो करने लगेंगे तो we won't be able to focus in life. So the worst comment से बहुत, I mean, बड़ी harassment और dangerous और criminal type के comments भी आ जाते हैं कभी-कभी, which is very strange. Considering this is illegal, you cannot harass women,
Yes.
you know, by saying, like giving me threats like, if I'm wearing a short skirt, you say something sexual. You know, it's not
Yeah.
legal. I don't think they understand that they can go to jail for that. So those kind of
Right.
things, I just and if you actually go to their profile, it's just a child. You know, I feel so bad. I'm like, Chotu, like I feel bad for you. Why are you doing this here? You should be studying and making your family proud. So yeah, so those kind of comments and good comments. So oh my goodness, there are so many. My fans are so sweet. They always try to motivate me. They're always there for me, fighting for me, and they're always there, you know, giving me strength to even be on social media. Because honestly, I'm on social media for fun.
Great.
Like I'm here because I'm here to connect with my fans. I'm here to communicate with my fans, to be able to talk to them. This is not really my bread and butter. So
Right.
I try to keep it that way, you know, for fun, as a
Fun.
hobby.
That's true that you want to keep it fun, your social media account, you keep it just to connect with your fans. But at the same time, in the current situation, social media is playing a very important role. You know, in a way, how an actor or any personality for that matter is taken. Like your image is built on social media somehow. So do you actually kind of, you know, think that way some days, like, you know, you have to maintain a particular personality or a particular image and you have to post things accordingly, or you just go out and you have your fun?
Yeah, I just post whatever I want to post. Honestly, it's my Instagram. It's me. And the best ones are who follow me for who I am, and they like me
Right.
that way. And they want, they are the people who matter because they are there for me, and so I post what I want to post. And रही बात about image की, तो आप कब image is such a एक temporary सा delicate सा चीज. Image क्या होती है? लोग क्या कहेंगे? लोग क्या कहेंगे? Has killed more dreams than anything. ये तो आपने सुना ही होगा.
I
What is an
totally
image?
agree.
It is such a temporary thing.
I would have not been conducting this interview if thinking about log kya kahenge.
Yeah, exactly.
That's absolutely correct. I second you on those thoughts completely. Now we jump back to your Punjabi project Asla.
Yeah.
So the thing is, एक तो आपने पंजाबी प्रोजेक्ट किया, आपके नाम के पीछे सिंग लग रहा है. Now I want to know तुसी कितनी सोनी पंजाबी बोल लेंदे हो?
बिल्कुल भी नहीं बोलती हूँ मैं, पर मैं समझ लेती हूँ. मैं काफी अच्छे से आई अंडरस्टैंड पंजाबी वेरी वेल. और मुझे लगता था मैं बहुत अच्छी पंजाबी बोल लेती हूँ. मतलब वो आपको एक्सेंट आता है तो आपको लगता है आप सभी बोल लेते हो, बट एक्चुअली quite a tough language.
I feel your pain completely. I'm not a Punjabi, and मुझे भी ये लगता है कि अपने दिमाग में that I speak a very good Punjabi, so yeah, I can
Yeah, मुझे भी
actually
लगता
connect
था.
with you on that.
जब मुझे लिप सिंक करने के लिए बोला था, then I was like, oh wow, उसमें तो बड़े complicated words है. But yes, I'm learning Punjabi. I love Punjab so much. I want to learn the language. I think it's one of my favorite states in the country, Punjab.
Wow, wonderful. So how did Asla actually happen? जब पंजाबी अभी तक तो दिमाग में चल रही थी, फिर ये पंजाबी सॉन्ग करने का आइडिया दिमाग में कब चला?
अरे they offered me the song, और मैंने जब गाना सुना तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. And then I said, चलो कर लेते हैं, let's go to Delhi, दिल्ली चले. So we shot there, and फिर दिलनूर भी काफी sweet है. So बहुत shooting करते हुए भी बहुत मजा आया. It was such a positive environment. Plus गाना बहुत अच्छा है. So finally, इससे पहले मैंने एक और गाना किया था in Punjab, but वो actually हिंदी में था, जिसका नाम है सताने लगे हो. That's with Ninja.
जी जी जी
It
जी
was a
जी जी.
lovely song, beautiful song. Pankaj Batra का direction, everything was amazing. लेकिन वो भी sad song था. And my mom
Sad
always
song,
complains
yes.
कि मैं बहुत सारे sad songs कर चुकी हूँ. And I need to do something happy and peppy. So जब मुझे ये गाना मिला, तो one of the reasons was कि ये काफी एक happy song है. So for my mom also, she was like, finally, I see you. Also कई जगहों पे मैं guns, हमेशा मुझे guns दे देते हैं. Somehow ये मेरे साथ है. Wherever I am, even सताने लगे हो में, eventually I kill the hero.
Yeah.
इस गाने में भी अगर आप देखोगे एंड में मैंने गन ले ही ली.
Why? What is this connection between Ruhi and Asla actually?
आई डोंट नो. एंड देन आई एम लाइक, सारे बॉयज तो मुझसे वैसे ही डर जाएंगे बिकॉज हर गाने में हर जगह आप मुझे गन दे देते हो, लाइक सो या.
Tell me this thing, you have worked with Ninja, you have worked with Pankaj Batra, who's one of the very well known directors of Bollywood. And now you have done Punjabi song as well, and you have worked with Punjabi artists as well. तो हमें Bollywood screen पे on the filmy front, Punjabi filmy front I would say specifically, कुछ हमें मिलेगा देखने के लिए?
Yeah, I don't mind exploring. I would in fact love to, because that way firstly I get to spend time in Punjab, जो कि मेरा बहुत मन है. My God, हमने जब सताने लगे वो शूट किया था, so we went to Maler Kotla, which is a place in Punjab, and the food was so good. I can't tell you. So yeah, not just
You making me. I'm feeling hungry right now, because of all this conversation.
Butter chicken, butter naan, shahi paneer, dal makhni. Punjab is just so nice. So yeah, if I get some good offers, I would totally love to explore the Punjabi film industry for sure.
Okay, also, what are the Punjabi movies or songs that you actually, enjoyed the most? Because since you said Punjabi is a very beautiful language and you understand it, so what are the Punjabi songs and movies as well, if you have seen? So, which are your favorite?
Diljit Dosanjh, obviously, I love his music. He's fantastic. I like Sidhu Moosewala. I remember Karan Kundra की मैंने कोई कहीं पे मैं उनका देख रही थी कुछ, and I liked he made a reel on this song called Old School, जहाँ पे जो सिद्धू मूसेवाला का सॉन्ग है, मुझे वो बहुत पसंद आया. So that करण औजला का एक गाना है लेटेस्ट, I think, जिसका नाम है Mexico. I think
yes, he says Mexico.
Oh, Mexico. Yeah. Chaliye. Oh my goodness, yes. I love that song. So yeah. Kafi, wow, I love Punjab. I love the music. I love how cool they are and the whole rap. and the whole vibe, the cars, the grandeur,
The swag.
absolutely, the swag. Nobody can match Punjab ka swag. I'm gonna say that here for sure.
That is true. That is completely true. So, Punjabi music you listen a lot. I got to know that. So, do you also watch Punjabi movies? आपने पंकज बत्रा की है, Ninja also did a couple of movies back. तो कुछ देखा आपने उनका?
Unfortunately not. I've not seen any Punjabi films yet, but I am definitely going to explore them. Yeah, I need to watch some Punjabi films for sure. I
We
want
would
to watch.
love that.
Yeah, really?
क्या पंजाबी मूवीज देखो भी और पंजाबी मूवीज करो भी. We would love to see you on the Bollywood front for sure.
Done. I hope
Done.
हमारा इंटरव्यू कोई अच्छे डायरेक्टर्स वगैरह देख रहे हो और मुझे अच्छे अच्छे ऑफर्स आए हो पंजाबी फिल्म्स आफ्टर दिस.
And then I'll get credit for that as well.
Done. 100%. आपकी वजह से.
Done, G, done. But talking about the movies and the industry, entertainment industry, after your Miss India thing, you did songs, you did a show for MX Player as well, so you went to OTT as well. But why did you not try your hand in the mainstream movies or something? Or you just wanted to explore the music first?
No, absolutely not. Nothing like that. In fact, I've had 3 releases this year on OTT platforms: Bang Bang, Chakravyuh, and Runaway Lugai. And Chakravyuh and Runaway
Yeah.
Lugai, to khair, were like they topped the charts only. They did so well. And yes, you are in for a surprise. Yeah, very soon you're going to see me in a very, very interesting project.
Oh, wonderful. Fans really want to know about all your upcoming projects. Like they want in detail, but हमें चलेगा. आप छोटा छोटा भी बताओगे तो we'll work with that.
अब बहुत जल्दी आपको बहुत सारे सरप्राइजेस मिलने वाले हैं. आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि टच वुड भगवान ने मेरी सुन ली और सारा हार्ड वर्क जो है finally it's resulting into, there are results now, and the kind of work I wanted to do, I'm so glad I'm getting it now. I believe that, see, if you're not having fun, don't do it. So
Right.
after Calendar Girls, when I was getting the kind of offers I was getting, I didn't want to do them. I wanted to do something meaty. I wanted to do something meaningful that justifies me coming all the way to Bombay and making a career here. So I took a break on purpose. I worked on a lot of skills. I went to like the best acting coaches in the country, and they said, I'm like, I'd rather wait than do something I'm not enjoying. And
Right.
finally, when I got Chakravyuh, when I got Runaway Lugai, that was the kind of work I always wanted to do. Work with people like Naveen Kasturia, Sanjay Mishra, Prateek Babbar, and all
Yes.
of my other work. Abhi jo recently jo maine kiya hai, I'm super proud of it. And on the basis of that, you are in for a few surprises.
Wow, wonderful. On this note, I really want to know one more thing from you. Since you said you wanted meaty characters, you wanted something that has a substance to it. So,
Yes.
a lot of actors, even today, despite of, talking about how much content is important for us, there are a lot of people who just want to be hero or heroine. They do not want to play a character. They just want to be hero or heroine. What would you like to say to them?
Good for them. I'm also only doing leads.
No, but you're also looking for substantial content. Like, okay, if given a chance, if you're asked that on the screen, you can either be just, be pretty, be the lead, be pretty, or you can have a character which has some substance to it, which has a lot of content and stuff. So, which one will you choose?
See, I would just tell you that, first of all, we are nobody to really judge anybody's choices. अब आप खुद देखो, if someone is getting, if somebody wants to be glamorous, let them be glamorous, let them have fun. Yeah, how does it matter? They enjoy that. It's great. Tomorrow, if I'm offered like a big glamorous role where I'm also getting to play, which is why I'm saying you're in for a few surprises, where I'm also getting to have fun and look good and make. Who doesn't want to be the quintessential Indian heroine? Dude,
Of
that's
course.
the dream.
That's the dream from childhood of every girl, I suppose.
अब कौन नहीं पहनना चाहता है वो
शिफॉन की साड़ी?
Exactly. और कौन नहीं गाना चाहता है वो रोमांटिक गाने यार. That is definitely हमारा Bollywood. I'm super proud of it. So वो तो अच्छा है ही, but at the same time acting में तो there is so much more. Nowadays, especially the time that we are in right now, there are so many characters. There's so much freedom when it comes to making content. People are making such great content, such interesting characters, such great conflicts in scenes. So I want to explore it all. I am not gonna say कि मैं यही करूँगी या वही करूँगी. मुझे सब कुछ करना है.
Wonderful, and we really hope कि जो आपको सब कुछ करने वाला जो ज़ील है, this stays like this forever and we get to see all those surprises really soon.
Thank you so much, and thank you so much. It was lovely talking to you. Yeah, as
It
long
was
as I
our
was
pleasure to
audible.
have you. Yes,
As
you
long as
were.
I was
After
audible,
that
you were.
एक बार का ना, after that एक बार का वो शायद वो glitch होना जरूरी था for this wonderful conversations. So thank you once again for coming on E-Times. And before we log out or sign out from this session, you have to make a promise on E-Times right now that जैसे ही आपका नया project announce होगा, you will join us back and we'll have another cup of conversation with you.
Absolutely, I think you guys will be the first ones. Times has always been very close to my heart. You know,
Oh,
I've been a Times talent, so
yes.
Times has always obviously been. मेरी पहली हर news यही आएगी. Don't worry about that, and
Wonderful.
we'll have another chat very soon.
Wonderful. Thank
In
you
fact,
so much.
before
Yeah.
going, let's just announce that मेरा next गाना बहुत जल्दी आने वाला है. So उसी मौके पे कर लेंगे बातें.
बस बिल्कुल तैयार हैं हम. आप गाना लॉन्च कीजिए and we'll have another conversation with you just then.
Done. चलो. Bye everybody.
Thank you so
Bye.
much, Rui. Bye bye.